Alor has been identified as a unique place, consisting of strings of islands surrounded by deep waters. There, upwelling takes place annually, so the circulation of feeding grounds for fish in the area is stable every year. The potential of fisheries in Alor area is defined as pelagic. This means that there are only 5 fishing fleets that are non-selective, whereas the rest, 99% of them, are small fleets employing selective fishing equipment. Because the means of fishing in Alor is a selective one that employs hooks, fishermen in the area are able to determine the settings used to catch different kinds of large tunas at certain depths. Traceability is also becoming important because we are trying to promote fishery products from Alor that are caught using environmentally friendly means.
Here in Alor, through our good partner, C.V. Giovanni, we've developed a simple traceability system that it allows every shipment of raw material, of freshly caught tuna, to be marked and traced through the supply chain. So that at the end, by looking at a numeric code or a barcode on the carton, anyone who wants to can get the basic information of where the fish came from, when it was packed, how it was shipped, etc. We work with a major internet traceability company called Trace Register, and we add more detail to that ourselves. So when a customer asks, we can show them on the carton, the traceability out to the source, from the source of the fish to the end user.